Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to cook cabbage rice with rice cooker. Hope you like it. You can make this braised rice yourself as long as you have a rice cooker. It is very simple to make and very delicious. The cabbage stewed rice is delicious, with the sweetness of the cabbage and the softness of the rice perfectly blended, with a fragrant aroma and rich taste. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: rice, cabbage, ginger. Wash and cut cabbage into small pieces. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K and dietary fiber, and has the nutritional value of antioxidant, digestion promoting and immunity enhancing. It is beneficial for adults and children to eat cabbage in moderation. Cabbage is rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, which has a positive effect on enhancing immunity, promoting digestion, and maintaining health. However, the diet should be balanced and diverse. Chopped ginger. Ginger has the effects of warming the stomach and dispelling cold, promoting blood circulation, relieving nausea, and enhancing immunity. It also helps digestion and reduces inflammation, making it a versatile and healthy ingredient in your daily diet. Wash rice and set aside. Add cooking all into rice pot and stir-fry ginger until release flavor. Add cabbage and stir-fry. Add rice. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder. One cup of rice to add 1 cup of water. Let's start cooking. Cabbage rice is cooked. Pour in an appropriate amount of soy sauce or dry sauce. You can also add scallion oil to make it more fragrant. Add a little sesame oil to enhance the fragrance. Mix evenly. Rice is ready to be eaten. You can mix and match your favorite vegetables according to your own preferences, and the dish will be beautiful. If you like sausages like me, just add sausages and boiled eggs to supplement protein. For myself, I still like to eat vegetarian goose slices. They are simple and delicious. Assemble it with your favorite ingredients, and it will make you feel good just looking at it. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. See? Cabbage is rich in dietary fiber, which helps promote intestinal peristalsis and improve digestive function. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, which helps to enhance immunity. Cabbage is low in calories and high in fiber, which can increase satiety and is suitable for weight control. Cabbage has a low glycemic index and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. The antioxidants and fiber in cabbage help lower cholesterol and maintain cardiovascular health. However, people with abnormal thyroid function should eat it in moderation because the glucosinolates in cabbage may affect the absorption of iodine. Excessive consumption of cabbage may cause gastrointestinal bloating or discomfort because it contains more fiber and glucosinolates. In addition, people with abnormal thyroid function should be aware that the glucosinolates in cabbage may interfere with the absorption of iodine and affect thyroid health. In addition to the common cooking methods of stir-frying, boiling, and stewing, there are also some interesting and delicious ways to eat cabbage, which can add novelty to the table, such as cabbage rolls, cabbage crisps, cabbage pizza base, cabbage kimchi, cabbage salad, cabbage soup, cabbage pancakes, etc. These ways of eating not only make cabbage more delicious, but also inspire creativity and enrich the table. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.